Get excited about the 2019 Toyota CHR.
Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine.
And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain.
Top features include a split folding rear seat, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, heated seats, lane departure warning, rear wipers, and a blind spot monitoring system. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.